go. Let's check it out. Come on. What do you think? Go. Let's check it out. Come on. What do you think?
What is that one?
An excavator.
And what does it do?
It does something good.
Scoop things?
Yeah.
We're making piles. We're putting them in the dump truck right here.
Yeah.
Gotta
it's
clean this
scooping
yard up.
This.
Wow.
Want to put it in the dump truck, Levi?
Every time we go, hey, Mom.
Yeah.
After my birthday party, after sweet time after that, we can go to the construction site
Yeah.
with worker guys.
Yeah. That sounds like a great idea. You want to go to a construction site?
Yeah.
Wow.
Good idea.
No, we're going to go there with wheel excavators and dump trucks and backhoes and everything. And we also will see an excavator and that and that and that and this and that. Everything.
Everything.
I'm going to try this over there.
Okay. Dumping it out?
Yeah.
What do I got here?
What's that thing? Is this yucky?
It's a weed.
Spiky weeds. Weeds there.
Spiky leaves. That's crazy.
Who likes spiky? What kind of animal likes spiky leaves?
Do you
Squirrels.
like spiky leaves?
No.
Possums. Badgers. Probably all the animals.
Bring that dump truck over here. We got work to do, buddy. Park it right there. I'll park this dump truck here. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Who took the engine out?
I don't know.
This is mine.
Okay. Look at this actually is so cool.
Because it means marker. We mean cement.
It's pretty cool.
This is the most awesome construction site I've seen.
We want cement?
What? Oh, me?
Excavators in the world. You mean stairs to go all in it.
Oh yeah, I know the one you're talking about. Oh yeah.
Let me guess. Dirt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Daddy, slide that over here.
Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, turn it around and dump it.
And this one can turn into also something else, huh?
Yeah.
What's that called?
A flatbed.
Wow. Awesome.
It's transforming back into a dump truck. There it is, back into a dump truck.
Perfect. And what can it load and dump? What kind of things?
Cement and dirt and rocks and mud and everything.
Awesome.
And also this kind of hardings.
Like cement, things like that?
Yeah.
Cool.
This is cement. And this is dirt. And these are white rocks.
Yep. You know a lot about your construction site.
And these are weeds. And this is grass. And you got this grass here.
Yeah.
This is my play area.
Your construction site, huh?
Yeah.
Super awesome. Okay, can you look at the camera and say, bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
Thanks for visiting my site, my construction site.